Here we go, the good old iron-on patches. Gentleman's done it at home. Obviously, when it's a bust on your crotch, you want to do it as easy as you can at home, but obviously the problem is they just don't stay on. They just don't stay on at all. You know, you might get 1-2 washes out of it, but eventually they just come off and just, you know, just go all a bit flappy, and then obviously they're uncomfortable, and yeah, it's just not a great job. Obviously, ideally, if you've got the budget, it's best to get them done professionally, somewhere like from us. But obviously, you know, if you're in a rush and you just need to get it done, it's, you know, it's a temporary job, and you might salvage them for a few weeks or maybe a month, but ideally you want to get a proper job done and get them properly restored with darning and oversew work over the hole, and you know, it'll come up nice and neat then. So there you go. So it does work temporary, but for a proper job, send them to somebody who knows what they're doing.